Hello everyone, here's a quick tour on where all the sealants that I purchased from Amazon go on this Tesla Model Y. It starts from the front. This is a front trunk door seal. So this would go underneath this front trunk. Once you open it, you would cover it all the way around. The next one is the A-pillar. A-pillar seal would be these joints here. You can open it. Like once you open up, that one is the A seal, and this one, and the next is front door left seal, which would be for this front door, the driver's side door, this corner. So it would be this corner from here all the way around. And the next is the B pillar. B pillar is this one. So that's why I placed all these covers so that you can easily identify. So this is the B pillar. This is where it goes. It's clipped right here. Needs to be clipped there. The next one is the rear door on the left, which would be the door's corner on the passenger side, like behind the driver's seat. So this is the corner. This is where the rear door seal goes. Next is the trunk door seal. Trunk door seal goes, if you open the trunk, so it will start all the way around, like all the way till here, and then it will start again from here, going off all around. Okay, that's that. The next is the rear door seal right. This is the rear door from the passenger's point of view. From the driver's point of view, it's the rear door, and then right side is this right side. So this one would be the perimeter of the rear door, goes all the way till there, and comes the last one, the front door seal right. It is similar to the other side, where the seal goes all around the perimeter and the B pillar.